Hey guys, I'm Kyle. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to import AliExpress reviews to Shopify. Fastest and easiest method. So let's get started. So here we are in Shopify, and from here what we're gonna do is we're gonna go into our search bar, and from here you wanna type for AliExpress reviews and tap on click here on search for Shopify App Store right here, so that you would be prompted right here and you would see a bunch of apps available here in Shopify App Store that would let you import reviews from AliExpress. But in this tutorial, we'll just be using this one right here. This is what I recommend, but you can also use the other apps if you think those are better for you, because it would depend on your needs on which app is the best for you. But in this example, we'll just be using this one. So go for Ali Reviews, click on that, and click here on install. And then we're gonna click on install right here again. So let's just wait for it, and here it is. Click here on install, and it should now be installed into our store right there. So here it is now installed. And from here what we want to do is we're gonna go with a free version right here, but if you want a premium, then you can also opt for that. In this tutorial, we'll just go for free. And from here, you can just go for a start tutorial if you'd want that, and you can export the reviews and so on. So from here, what we're gonna do is that we are gonna go for manage reviews right here. And from here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna select the product right here that we would want to review or add or import reviews on. So let's say I want to add reviews to this example t-shirt that I have, or this product. So I'm gonna click here on import reviews. And from here, as you can see, I would now need the AliExpress product URL. So let's go to AliExpress right there, and go to aliexpress.com. And from here, we're just gonna find a product right here that is similar to our product that we would want to import reviews from. So let's say I'm just gonna go for this one, since this is also a t-shirt. So let's go to a t-shirt right here, and let's see, it's not functioning well, so I'm just gonna go for this right here. This is a cotton shirt sleeve. So from here, let's just go and make this as an example. Let's say we want to import the product or the reviews from this product. So I'm just gonna go scroll down, and then we will be able to see the reviews right here, and you can see the reviews and see if you like it. And once you have decided that this is the product that you would want to get the reviews from, you want to copy the link, right click copy, and go back here and paste it right here, paste. And there it is. And take note that you can also use Amazon for this one. And from here, you can click here on should have images. So the only reviews that will be imported are those reviews that have images. If you check this box, but in my case, I will not. And you can also auto translate, and you can also not improve reviews that you have deleted. And you could also have the feedback text if you'd want that. In my case, I'll just leave this be, and I'm gonna go set the number of reviews into, let's say, 15, and the country right here. So if you'd want to set a specific country, then you can do that, but in my case, I'll just go click here on import right away, and now it's gonna load right here. And there it is. So as you can see, it is now finished, and as you can see here, the reviews imported is now 15 right here. So now what we can do is you can click here on manage reviews, and from here you can see the reviews that was imported. And then from here you can tap or click on this button in order for you to edit the review, or you can also delete that if you don't want this review anymore. All right, so now we have imported the AliExpress reviews into our product, but it's still not in our store, so the customer still will not be able to see it. So how can we do this? So let's click here on online store. And from here, we're gonna click here on customize right here, so that we will now be into the editor page, and right here. So from here, we're gonna go into that certain product right here. So we're gonna go to that product, and here it is. So we're gonna click on this one right here. And now here we are. As you can see, there are no reviews. So to put the reviews here, all you have to do is go here into click on the add section right here, and from here you want to go into apps and click here on the Ali Reviews product widget right here. Click on that, And now it will now be added right here. So from here, you want to click here on select product. So select product and make sure that you select this product right here. So it will be this one. Click on select right there. And now it should be imported right here. You should now be seeing that the reviews that you have imported right here. So yeah, that is basically how you do it. All that's left is click on save, and there you go. You now have successfully imported AliExpress reviews into your product, and now you can see it in your store. So that is basically it on how you can do this. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.